These organisms' glow can be seen from space, and they are responsible for producing 20% of the oxygen on Earth. Meet the diatom, a diverse group of single-celled algae. But here's where it gets wild. These tiny ocean dwellers might have played a huge role in fertilizing the Amazon rainforest. When diatoms die, their silica shells sink and form vast deposits. Over millions of years, these deposits get exposed, turn into dust, and guess what? Prevailing winds carry this nutrient-rich dust all the way across the Atlantic to the Amazon. This diatom-rich dust provides essential nutrients like phosphorus, which is crucial for plant growth. So, these little ocean glowworms might literally be feeding the largest rainforest on Earth. How cool is that?